TV.
Jatend migao mapur mithika Linturi kod jatije maduong' mar dero ma piny owacho NCPP Joseph Kimote oluoko lwetgi mibadhi ma mbolea ma bandia. Kendo wacho ni ponono nitiere mbolea ma bandia, kembe manomiyo rak maloso mbolea ema onego okaw ting' ma ok gin. Ka giloso nyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate mochung' ne pur, Linturi dhi nyime kod tuo dhoge ni onge mbolea ma bandia bwo chenro mar miyo jopur mbolea nengo mogonyore. Kata kamano, nitiere gunia 3,000 mane mbolea magi ochopo rang'iny madwarore, ka bende lieko ni jogo mane orem yudo rak mar kelo mbolea kod kweth makwedo piny owacho ema nyao miriambo e wach mbolea ma bandia.
If there were issues with the standard, as the CS have said in some batch which had issues, it is a prerogative of the manufacturer to be able to account for those standards and ensure that he adheres to the standards of the country. So what I can say in a nutshell, our quality assurance processes do not include testing of products because we don't have that capability. We rely on government institutions to ensure that the quality of the products we supply is of good measure.
But please, Chairman, just like the MD has said, when KEPS certifies a manufacturer and the standards are agreed and the manufacturer decides to give what he did not submit for analysis of a sampling for certification by the standards body, it cannot be really the problem of NSPB. It can't be our problem. It is the problem of the manufacturer, and the manufacturer must be dealt with according to the law. Also, I'm not oblivious of the fact that even those that people lost in the tender process, because this is a multi-billion business, probably you can find somebody going into a corner, putting it back, and doing whatever he wants to do, and making noise about it.